This video was brought to you by the Senderium app for Shopify. Drive your business growth with SMS marketing for Shopify. Hola, konnichiwa, ahlan, hi. Welcome to eShop Talk. I am Alberto, and in today's video we will talk about an unstoppable purchase spree. An event that apparently cannot be stopped by any virus, and it's even predicted to get bigger because of it. If you guessed Black Friday, you guessed it right. This year, the crazy day of Black Friday falls on November 27. And as promising as this date may sound for anyone involved with e-commerce, it comes with challenges that we need to be prepared for. And this is exactly the focus of this video: how to boost your sales during the peculiar times of Black Friday 2020. But before we start, make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button and hit that bell right next to it to never miss one of our stories. Let me start with some impressive numbers to give you a context of just how big this is. In 2019 alone, Black Friday sales hit a record of $7.4 billion. That's already $1.2 billion more than the previous year. Also last year, the Black Friday Cyber Monday long weekend represented a combined $15.3 billion in sales. And out of that pie, Shopify merchants took home a slice of $2.9 billion. Despite the fact that Black Friday is traditionally focused on retail stores, the tides are changing. And last year, 93.2 million buyers made their purchases online. This number is more impressive when compared to the mere 83.3 million buyers 3 days later in Cyber Monday. That is an event specifically designed for online shopping. These numbers clearly show that people are compelled to spend their money on these occasions. Now, with COVID and social distancing, I wouldn't be surprised if those numbers go through the roof or if they become even more massive for online shopping. The signs are here. More and more retail stores are adapting to a new reality and becoming more available online. The Black Friday competition has always been fierce. We all have that image in our minds of customers running around and brawling to ensure that super discounted purchase. Well, for shops, the story is not much different. They have to put up a fight to captivate customers and ensure sales. And this year promises to be an epic online battle. So, as an eShop owner, how do you attract visitors and still make a profit? Don't worry. Here are 3 tips to help you nail the 2020 Black Friday battle for customers and boost your sales. Number 1, start early. This is probably the tip that you keep hearing. And if you haven't followed it already, now is probably the time to do it. Starting early was always something to keep in mind, but this year Black Friday sales actually started earlier than ever. 2020 has been a struggle for retailers, so extending this period can increase sales while avoiding a buying rush and prevent shipping delays. Moreover, taking care of your shop's online presence is vital. Make sure that your audience can already find you and reach you in all their favorite channels. Start building hype in advance. Create buzz around your products with videos, banners, competitions, send emails, launch campaigns, anything to let your visitors know what they can expect. If they see value, they will return when it's time. Second, you might want to use customer tracking and retargeting tactics to bring back previous customers and visitors. This can be done using Google Analytics or Facebook Pixels. Alternatively, if you're a Shopify merchant, you can find apps on Shopify that help you run ads, including retargeting. Why is this important? You may think that the visitor that doesn't complete a purchase and leaves is gone forever. But I have good news for you. By setting up tracking in advance, you can later target these visitors and encourage them to come back. This represents a large audience that is open to listen and visit you again. So, providing that extra push can actually help you close a sale. Third, last but not least, pay attention to your cart abandonment rate. 70% of all online shopping carts are abandoned. And statistics show that Shopify stores alone could have made an additional $1 billion in sales if those carts would have checked out. Crazy, huh? So how do you avoid it and prevent your visitors from leaving without making a purchase? There are actually a few things that can help. Number 1, one of the most popular reasons why visitors abandon their shopping carts is the surprise element of shipping costs. So be transparent about them in advance. Number 2, offer your customers the benefit of free shipping. If you can afford it, of course. You can either offer it with all orders or with a minimum purchase amount. Alternatively, you can offer free shipping after your visitor leaves without completing a purchase. You can reach him via email or more efficiently via SMS afterwards. Shopify has a very good app for this, that is the Senderium app. Number 3, make sure that your customer feels comfortable when it comes to payment. offer a wide range of trusted options so that you can choose the one that fits him best. It's important to have a smooth checkout process, a transparent return info so that you don't create any additional friction. That's it. I'm sure that these tips will help you make the best of Black Friday, and don't forget to check out video on Cyber Monday. Feel free to watch this video again and as many times necessary. If you found it useful, show us your love and appreciation by hitting that like button and subscribing to the eShop Talk channel. If you want us to cover any specific topic or if you have something to add, drop us a line right there in the comments below. I am Alberto talking eShop, and until next time, keep your sales up.